my name is Porte and I am Conference Manager at K.I.T Group. My best practices for the briefing are make it short and clear. Clearly written guidelines should be sent to the speakers well in advance. 2 weeks prior to the event, a technical rehearsal is held for our faculty members to check their technical tools. It is imperative that speakers get familiar with the digital platform and all functionalities available. This ensures a smooth and stress-free conference for our faculty. The green room is a virtual backstage area. This is the place where the speaker and the technical team can connect before appearing on the screen. We welcome the faculty members, make the final checks, and confirm that all material is correct. The session goes live as soon as all moderators and speakers are ready.